Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Åsa Johansson, and in this tutorial I'll be unboxing our CS1 adaptive battery charger and maintainer with Apto technology. But before we start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. Okay, let's see what we got in the box. There's everything you need to get charging straight away, either directly or by pairing the CS1 with the new free CTEK app using Bluetooth. Here's the CS1 itself with its power cord, and if I turn it over you can see that it has our unique mounting system, so you can slide it easily on and off the optional CS wall mount for a more permanent fixture. Okay, and here are the CS1 brand new polarity-free clamps. I'll go into a bit more detail about these in the next tutorial, but basically what it means is that you don't need to think about positive and negative connections when you're charging. You simply attach the clamps to the two charging points and the CS1 safely works it all out for you. The clamp cable features a new version of our Connect system, but don't worry, you can still use all existing Connect accessories thanks to our optional CTEK adapter cable. As well as the clamps, you also get a user manual that gives you all the basics regarding the charger. For more information, visit ctek.com. Okay, well, that's everything you get in the box when you buy your CTEK CS1. Thank you for watching.